Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we have something kind of special. We have some new downpipes, some Capristo downpipes here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to fire this car up and let you hear what it sounds like before. Then we're going to get into what it takes to put them on and then do an after. So this is a Porsche 958 GTS, so it's a 4.8 non-turbo. So here we go with the startup. So anyway, that was before, so now we'll get into this and see where we go. All right, so here we go. This is our pipe we're replacing right there. And this one right here. And they come back to here and clamp. So basically from here to here on both sides are getting replaced. So what we're going to have to do is take loose these three flange bolts, this one bolt here on each side, and those clamps. So that's where we're going next. All right, here we go. This is going to be with the downpipes open. So let's see what it sounds like. Downright angry. All right, here we go. This is going to be the first startup for the 958 Cayenne GTS after installing some Capristo downpipes. So let's see what it sounds like. So there we are, Capristo downpipes on a Cayenne GTS. To me, they sound pretty good. Let me know what you think in the comments. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. We're looking for some super sprint headers soon.